Alright, we're immediately back out here. If anybody missed the sound deadening installation on the 240, that was in the very last video. This one, we're going to be doing all the cleaning and everything that's necessary to, make the car feel all pretty and brand new again. So we're going to be going through all the interior, all these panels and seats and all the cloth and everything. I started changing out the seat rails here. These are the seat rails that are originally from the car, because the seat rails that were on these seats are not doing too good. So I've switched out one set already. I'm going to be switching out the other set with the seat over here because we're running the confetti seats. And we'll be going through all these panels and everything, cleaning up the grime and the gross stuff. Going to be doing the time lapse, of course. Set up the time lapse, do the cleaning portion of this. Sean should be over in a little bit. I really have no idea what I'm doing. We got a steam cleaner, got my carpet cleaner. But yeah, we should get these things all looking brand new and spiffy, ready to go. This thing's gonna be a nightmare. Don't know what I'm gonna do about that hole, but we'll figure something out. Alright, we got this first seat clean, and let me tell you, it looks really, really good. Super surprised how this one came out. It was all covered in gross stuff, but it came out really, really good. Now we got the other seats to do, and hopefully it comes out looking just as good as this one. Okay, so we got the back section of the rear seat finished. Now we are going to be working on the actual base of the rear seat. This one is actually the worst out of all of them. We got one little blemish here, but this is nothing that's a really big issue. This seat was sitting in a car that was loved by mice. So we can see there is some yellowing basically all over the place, discoloration on the confetti all over the seat. And this seat actually does not smell good. I'm sure you guys can just smell it by the video if you guys know what a mouse piss like clothing and whatever cloth just looks like or smells like. So this one's going to be a pretty big change. It's probably going to turn out just like that because that one was a little bit dirty too. This one's the worst. So really excited to see the time lapse of this one. So yeah, do a before and after of it. We'll see what it looks like after the fact. right, it's done, and here is the after. It's quite the difference. The freaking seat looks brand new, minus the spot right there. If we come from this point of view, it looks like a brand new seat. Wow, it looks amazing. This was the one that I was really worried about, but it came out looking like it's a factory, looking like a dealership seat now. All right, we're doing the final seat. This one is also pretty rough. You can see the discoloration. It's okay in some spots, but obviously it's not as clean as it can be. Right here you see it's basically yellow across the whole face of this. She's a rough one, but she's about to look as good as this one. It's pretty insane, the difference. Good Lord. So all of the seats for the interior are finished.
Hopefully.
Yep, hopefully. Now we actually have to clean this carpet, and I think we're gonna just take it to the old pressure wash machine since it's easier. They have soap that comes out on their stuff. So yeah, we gotta get this thing clean, and then it's gotta dry, and then we have to dye it. They literally look new. That's impressive. Like, this seat looks so good too. Wow, I'm impressed. Very impressed. Another long day of working. Got the interior all cleaned up here. Most of these panels and everything are all clean as well. So we got these rear plastics clean. The door cards were already cleaned up. I'm swapping over some interior parts from my old door panels to go to these. The dash is clean. Got the rear speaker cover that goes behind the back seats is also clean. We are making great progress. I still have to take this carpet out and get it pressure washed. I don't know if I want to take it somewhere or just go ahead and do it here. I do have a pressure washer, so I could just do it here. Problem is with the soap and stuff, and I know that if I take it to a car wash, then I can use their soap, but then I gotta lug it all around and stuff. So I might just pressure wash it here, and then I might be able to just spray some soap and stuff on it. Maybe spray some Dawn dish soap on top of there, and then pressure wash it out, then hang it up to dry. Once it's all dry, we'll cover it with a dye and it'll be all black, so it should be pretty freaking good. But yeah, this has been a long day. This stuff is all clean now, looking freaking new, and it's time to go to bed and then wake up and do it all again.